Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add custom frame to your design in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a design in Canva, and to create a custom shape we're going to use Canva app. So first of all, we need to go to the apps menu here, and then we're going to search for the frame maker app. Just type in frame maker on the search bar, and you can wait for a moment. Okay, this is the app. You can click on this app to add this app to your Canva. Okay, and here you will be able to create a custom shape. You can add the dot first. You can double click to add a dot like this, and then you're going to tap and hold on the dot, and you can adjust the position like this. And then I'm going to put on one more dot here, double click and adjust. Oops, sorry. I'm just going to remove this dot. I'm going to click on remove a point and click on this dot. Alright, and I'm going to put on the dot here, double click and adjust. And once you're done, you can click on add to design. Alright, and now as you can see that the shape has been added to my design. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create custom shape in Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.